Okay, students, so I hope you have tried true and false. So you can verify now the answers, okay? So first question is what? Line segment joining the center to any point. Line segment, okay, line segment means there will be two endpoints. So line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. So there is a line segment which will join the center and to any point on the circle they have said. So I have joined these points. Okay, so they have said line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. Okay, line segment joining the center and to any point only, say they have said, right? Not points. So any point means only one point I will take. So line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is a radius. So is it a radius? Yes. So first statement is true. Okay. Next, number 2. A circle, you take out your textbook and see from there, okay, the statement. You might not able to see here. I think I can, it's visible, right? Okay, anyway. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. Is it true? So this is your circle. There are infinite points, right? So suppose this is there. This is a chord, right? So equal to this will be there or not? Yes. If you take this 2 point equal to this, there will be a chord again. So you can see this is equal to this. Okay, fine. What about here? You will have another point here which might be equal with this one. Here also will be there which might be equal with this point, and this point also might be there which might be equal. I hope you can understand, right? If you take 2 points like this and draw a chord, now how many equal chord to this you can have? I can take this 2 point and this might be equal also. It doesn't matter which direction I'm taking. This 2 also might be equal. This 2 point, all this might be equal. In this way I can draw between this 2 point, this 2 point, this 2 point. In this way infinite number of chords will be there. So it won't be only finite chords, okay? It will be always infinite chords you will get. Where is the question? Oh, this is for class 12, I guess. Just wait. So you can see this won't be finite, right? Why? The reason is you can see in this circle I can draw chord like this between these 2 points. Now this chord can be equal to this chord also. If I join this 2 points, this chord also. If I join from here to here, this chord also. Join here to here, this chord also. In this way I can get infinite number of chords. So second statement will be obviously false. Okay. Your third statement is what? If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. If I divide a circle into 3 equal arcs, so this arc, one arc, this another arc, suppose this and this equal, and the third arc is this one. So suppose these 3 arcs are same. Now if I draw a line here, join this to end, this to end, and this to end, then you can see this arc, this arc, this arc will be same, right? So they are asking you, if a circle is divided in 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. Is it possible? This each arc which you are making will be a major arc. Obviously no, right? You can see for major and this is not visible, this pen. For major and minor, what you used to have, either one of the arc must be smaller, other must be bigger. Then only you can see this is major arc, this is minor arc. But for this one, in this case, you can see all arc are same length, right? If it is same length, you cannot say that this is major arc. Any one of this is major arc. So they have said each is major arc. So that you cannot say, because all are equal. For unequal arc only we can say, like for this one, for unequal arc we can say one is major, another is minor. The one which is bigger we say major, the one which is smaller we say minor. Okay. So number 4, a chord. Okay. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is a diameter of the circle. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius. So obviously this will be true statement. They have said a chord, there is a chord which is twice as length as its radius, means there is a chord whose length is twice the radius. Now this twice the radius, what it is called? This chord is called diameter only, right? So it's correct. So this statement, it is true statement number 4. Number 5, sector is the region. Sector, you know, right? What is the sector? Sector is a region which is formed by radii, 2 radius and 1 arc. Okay, this also sector, this also sector. This is minor, this is major sector. So what they are saying, sector is a region between the chord and its corresponding arc. Is it a region between chord and arc? Obviously no, this is a region between radii and arc. Okay, I have already defined this one yesterday's video. A circle is a plane figure. Obviously yes, circle is a plane figure. It can be drawn in this paper, right? This is a plane figure. Okay, but sphere, you know, sphere is not a plane figure. Sphere you cannot draw in a plane. Okay, so sphere it will be in the space. It has volume, right? But in this case it can be drawn in the plane. So this is a plane figure. So true statement. Okay.